to Chicago on a bicycle. 6 days. Come on, anybody bring the champagne? Come on. So yeah, guys, nobody brought the champagne, but this fella seems amused, right? Come on, get in here. You want a photo with me? I'll be famous one day. I'll be famous, man. Yeah, so yeah, guys, see what 6 days of cycling will do to you. You go downtown and you start shouting at people. Anyways, yeah, guys, let's go get some grub and some rub-a-tub, some champagne to celebrate with, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so let's just go to the station. We got everything on. Yep. Yeah, guys, we did it. We did it. 6 days, huh? Thank you, buddy. 6 days.
6 days.
6 days, yeah.
I'm tired.
I'm tired, man.
Where do you go now?
70 miles. I go home. I live in Arlington Heights.
Arlington Heights. How many? 6 days and now Arlington.
No, now I go to the train station. I go home.
Oh,
but I just did see.
Where do you eat?
On the road.
On the road.
Motel, hotel, McDonald's.
Oh, you sleep sometimes.
Yeah. 6 days. Go Jungle Harry on YouTube.
Jungle Harry.
Jungle Harry, yeah. Hey, that fella's excited. He was like waving at me. He saw me before I even saw him. That was slick and smooth. Like I with the electric bike. Kind of came around. Just kind of came around nowhere. Zoom. Zoom, 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 and a boom, boom. Guys, Union Station coming up on the right. First got to pass the river. Hey, there's a little Amazon Go in the station. Hopefully they still sell. Hopefully they still sell beer or champagne if they have any. Oh yeah. Alright. So here we are, guys. And see, if you walk across Canal Street, you can walk out there, but that area has been currently worked on. Yeah, see? So here's Union Station. At Adams and Clinton. What we be doing is going back this way, heading with the wind. And yeah, we're just gonna hit up Nap nap.